For class 6 student, I am going to discuss question answer of chapter 11. This chapter is part of physics part. Exercise page number 141. So number A, objective type questions. We have to choose the correct option. Number 1, an example of a standard unit of measurement is I think it is D, answer is inch. Number 2, meter is the standard unit of length. C is the answer. Number 3, 2500 means 2500 meter equal to 2.5 kilometer. We have to divide by 1000. We already know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Number 4, an object is said to be in motion if its position with respect to another object changes with time. Option A is the correct. Number 5, a car moving on a straight road is in rectilinear motion. Number 2, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Is the non-standard unit of length cubit? Two options is given, kilometer and cubit. It means kilometer is the standard unit, so cubit will be the what? Non-standard unit. Number 2, the distance of an object from one end to the other is called length. Number 3, when a body is in translational motion, all its parts move equal distance in a given time, equal distance. Number 4, the rotation of Earth on its axis is rotational motion. Two options is given, translational and rotational. The answer will be rotational. Number 5, a type of motion that repeats itself after equal interval of time is called periodic motion. Repeat same thing. Number B, very short answer question. Write 2 examples of each of the following. Number 1, rectilinear motion. The examples are car moves straight line, a train moves straight line. Number 2, curvilinear motion, when a car taking a turn. Number 2, when stone is thrown in a certain angle. Number 3, rotational motion, rotation of earth, rotation of fan. Periodic motion, simple pendulum. हम लोग जो झूला झूलते हैं ना, that is also example of periodic motion. Non-periodic motion, motion of a car when moving straight line, motion of a train. Define the following. Number 1, length. Length means distance between 2 points. Number 2, motion. Motion when position of a body changes with time, that is called the body is in motion. Periodic motion. Periodic motion means when a body repeat same point after interval of time. For example, rotation of Earth. After 1 year, Earth again reach in same point, which take 365 days. Rotational motion. Rotational motion also example of what? Rotational motion is also example of periodic motion. For example, rotation of Earth around the what? Sun, the rotation of hand. But in rotational motion, the part of the body cover different distance in equal time. Number C, short answer question. जो लेंदी है उसको आप खुद करना है, मैं थोड़ा आइडिया दे दूंगा, ऑलरेडी तो मैंने पढ़ा दिया. Number 1, why do we need standard unit of measurement? स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ग्लोबल कम्युनिकेशन के लिए मेनली ज़रूरत है. जैसे पहले जो इंग्लैंड है उन लोग अपना यूनिट यूज़ करता था, जब उसके लिए क्या होता है टोन, इंच, ये सब मतलब इंग्लैंड यूके यूनिट सिस्टम था. तो उसके बाद जब ग्लोबल एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट स्टार्ट हुआ, ग्लोबल कम्युनिकेशन स्टार्ट हुआ, से 1 मीटर शुड बी सेम फॉर एवरी कंट्री. That's why for uniform measurement we need to have a standard unit. Number 2 gives one advantage of using SI unit. Advantage, you can write many: uniform communication and global communication. Number 3, write a short note on the relevance of estimation. Estimation is very important. एस्टिमेशन जिनका मतलब पूरा एस्टिमेट कर सकता है, पढ़ाई में भी एस्टिमेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है, एक्यूरेट आइडिया। जैसे कुछ में एस्टिमेशन एक्यूरेट नहीं होने से भी चलेगा। फॉर एग्जांपल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू योर हाउस एंड स्कूल, सब्जी बनाने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, बट ना व्हेन यू वांट टू बिल्ड ए बिल्डिंग, सो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पोस्ट मस्ट बी एक्यूरेट। फॉर दैट एस्टिमेशन इज नीडेड। जैसे ब्रिज बनने वाला है, सो पहले एस्टिमेशन बनता है, कितना कॉस्ट जाएगा, कितना मटेरियल लगेगा। सो इट इज गिवन इन बुक, ट्राई टू राइट एक्यूरेट आंसर। नंबर 5, गिव टू डिफरेंस बिटवीन रेक्टिलिनियर curvilinear motion. You can write very easy. Already we got few points in objective question. Number 5, give one similarity between rectilinear and curvilinear motion. It is also very simple. D, long answer question. Discuss with example how people measure length in same time. पहले जैसे हाथ का जो एक लेंथ है उससे मेजर होता था। Light has gone. So we have 4 long question. So आप खुद सॉल्व करो, बुक में दिया हुआ है, मैंने पढ़ाते वक्त समझाया था। सॉल्व करके आप व्हाट्सएप में भेजो, आई विल चेक। अगर कुछ मिस्टेक होगा तो लेटर ऑन आई विल गिव डिटेल्स। Let us discuss about the numerical. Number E, which is very important also. Number 1, Usha want to buy a dupatta that is 250 centimeter long. The shopkeeper want her to give the measurement in meter. Can you help her? We already know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, so we'll divide 250 centimeter by 100. That will be what? 2.5 meter. So 250 centimeter is equal to 2.5 meter. Number 2, Maya's physics textbook is 11 millimeter thick and her math textbook is 1 centimeter thick. Which textbook is thicker? Already we know that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So 11 millimeter is equal to 1.1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is more than 1 centimeter. It means physics textbook is more thicker than math textbook. Number 3, Amar lives in a hostel which is 200 meter here from his house. Calculate the distance in kilometer. So we have to divide by what? 1000, because in 1000 meter we have 1 kilometer. So it will be 2000 kilometer. 2000 kilometer. So try to write all question answer of this chapter and try to send in my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 84150755655. And again I repeat, give quality time in your studies and try to find happiness through your studies. And we have a crucial time, so be careful, stay at home and give as much as possible time in your study. Try to develop your good health, improve your immunity power and avoid mobile phones and TV. Again I repeat, आपका जो हैबिट्स है उसको खराब नहीं करना। मेरा हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंग टू माय कंसर्न, माय कॉन्सेप्ट, हेल्थ इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड सेकेंड वन इज योर कैरेक्टर, योर ऑनेस्टी। ऑनेस्टी में बहुत पावर है, तो दिल से होना है। रियली टेलिंग, आप अगर ऑनेस्ट हो, आपको कोई भी कुछ भी डाइवर्ट नहीं कर सकते, हार्म नहीं कर सकते। ऑनेस्टली आप अपना वर्क को करो, आपको कोई स्टॉप नहीं कर सकता है सक्सेस होने में। आई एम सक्सेस, यहाँ पे मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, सक्सेस सिर्फ मेटेरियलिस्टिक लाइफ में नहीं, इंटरनल पीस, मेंटल सेटिस्फेक्शन। मेंटल सेटिस्फेक्शन इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर योर लाइफ। ओके, थैंक यू।